Om Shanti. Greetings of Global Bhatti. I am recalling the global unity, global uh, winning the heart of everyone is the example how to be light and joyful. Dadi Prakash Mani ji. I remember her power and lightness, balance and blissful way she lived and encouraged others to live. Very light and easy. Every night we used to go to say good night to her, and she would not only 1, 2, 10, sometimes we are together different from centers, Kumaris. She would read to us next day Murli point and question answer. Murli's headline and questions, and sometimes blessing as well. So it became every day's gathering, and we used to call it night Dadi Ji's Gita Pathshala. Dadi Ji's Good Night Gita Pathshala, where we learned the lesson of nice, joyful experience that in which thoughts Dadi sleeps in the night. And her secret was also that one day I asked Dadi, after so much work during the day, you are so light and easy. She says, I said, you don't get tired. She says, I have not done anything. Baba has done and I enjoyed and watched everything. So it was lightness. And the morning, very pure feeling of being at home in our room. To say good morning, that was the time before class. We would, when she was getting ready, she would come from the bathroom and wear sari in front of us, getting ready and also sharing her loving thoughts, sometime the joys, the joyful days with Baba. Amrit Vela, she would sit behind in history hall and everyone is coming and she's giving drishti. She would sit in the courtyard and have the feeling of, giving the feeling of welcoming all. And so, in order to create that joyful experience in all, what one special thing I noticed, she created the young Kumars, brothers, she encouraged. Majority sisters were there before, and very less number of young Kumars, youth. She says, I am Kumar ka, I am Kumar ka. Kumar means brothers. And she says, I love Kumar should be there. She encouraged Kumar and created such an enthusiasm of creating picnic, taking them on walk together with her. And I remember playing with her as well. One picnic time, it was different music everybody was playing. Dadi took the music, this trumpet in her hand and started blowing it. There was Shank, she was playing it. So my meaning was with boys she became boy, with sisters she became senior sister. And in every situation, it was very, very powerful inspiration to create the family feeling in Madhuban. With great joy, she would ask, like the mother asked the child, "What would you like to eat today? Would you like gulab jamun?" Or whatever they would say. She would say, Boli Dadi. She will call Boli Dadi, today you make gulab jamun. Today you make samosa. So today you make chips. So it became like a everyday kind of picnic time to time and joyful, and everybody felt with Dadi so light and easy. The joy, lightness. I remember she came in London, and she also at that time at the opening of London Centre, Global Cooperation House, was hosting flag, and she started dancing joyful. Dadi Janaki and her both were there at that time. And she was so enthusiastic. The Pol brothers, Ramesh Bhai was also there, Om Prakash Bhai from Indore was there, Brajmohan Bhai was there. So she make brothers dance. Well, so this was her funny moment. Become a child, become a great soul, and lead with such authority. Invite time to time senior sisters to have very harmonious meetings, and her decision power was amazing. And so she will create, so she has an idea, but she would ask others, and then it is just like everyone's idea is making decision. So in this way she would create unity, because she encouraged everyone. She always had the feeling that we are creating a fortress of unity and no one can shake it, as every brick is very strong and powerful. But most important thing is she trusted everyone. She loved everyone. She supported everyone. At the time, she was very direct in giving corrections. Unity was one of the most powerful example of Yajna. When Dadiji and Didi both were seniors, Didi put Dadi in front and Dadi kept Didi in front. So Didi, Dadi is one. And they used to say, we are two bodies, one soul. After Baba left body, so it was an example of how to create the unity and how to create atmosphere of enthusiasm, trust in each other, because neither be disturbed from anyone, and don't create such kind of atmosphere that you are disturbing others. Let there be understanding of each other and contentment. She actually make everyone contented, happy, joyful, taking sometimes picnic with sisters and sometimes the whole family. Actually, Peace Park became a playground where she herself, like children, played many games like the children are playing. Was wonderful scene when you look at the video of that time. You feel, gosh, those days will come again, that we are able to enjoy those days with Dadi again. So wonderful thing was of unity, that she was so focused on unity, because Madhuban is Madhuban, Gyan Sarovar is forest, and so many honeybees are there, and big black hives of honeybee. And so brother said, Dadi, shall we take honey out of it? She says, no. They have worked together and let them enjoy their sweetness together. So meaning is that though honey bee stings, but those who have this different, the nature, even hard nature, rough nature, when they work together, they create honey. And so this is an example of harmony and working together. So even now, nobody breaks that beehive for honey, buy honey from outside, though we have so many honey beehives. And so unity is strength, unity is power, unity is beauty, unity is joy. So Dadi's slogan was this, and also honesty, joyful, careful, and faithful to Baba. She was faithful to dadis, faithful to friends, means everyone, to the family, but very disciplined as well. So this joy, balance in everything, make her Dadi Prakash Mani, not only the jewel of light, but lighthouse and might house, whose light is radiating even today and will continue to radiate and give light to all of us. Baba's light passing through her. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.